My name is Jeff Scholes. I'm the technical director here at NEB, the National Environmental Balancing Bureau. NEB is a certifying agency that certifies individuals and firms in 8 distinct disciplines.
My name's Don Hill. I'm with Accutech Services in Lee Summit, Missouri, Kansas City area. My involvement with NEB has been as a committee member, committee chair over several years.
The ASHRAE 110 tests are used to evaluate containment using a variety of factors that may influence the ability of a fume hood to keep the user safe, giving us a more in-depth look at the fume hood performance.
From an Antec standpoint, for this test procedure, we have 2 valves. We have a VFX valve, which is a blade damper type valve, and then we have a VV valve, which is a Venturi valve. We can test it with sidewall only for either valve, or we can test it with sash sensor only for either valve. We also have a hybrid potential setup. In addition, we have the CAVA, which is the controller and provides capability to monitor what the hood is doing. The steps to the test are, number 1, verify the face velocity. So we would use a thermal anemometer. So you would set up a grid and take your velocities across the face of the hood at the center of each grid. Verify that you're meeting the design requirement for the velocities. As we close the hood, we're going to verify the velocities at 25% and 50%. This is done 3 times, where you would lower the sash, verify the response, raise the sash, verify the response. Second test then would be the tracer gas test. It's done at 3 locations. I've marked the hood for center, left, and right. That tracer gas test is performed with a mannequin in front of the hood, and the sensor is through the breathing zone of the mannequin, so to simulate a person standing there. Third part of the test would be an airflow visualization. There's 2 parts to that. One is we would introduce smoke under the airfoil, verify that the smoke is swept back. The second is around the perimeter of the hood. Also, you want to test at the surface of the hood and verify that nothing comes back. Large volume, a lot of times it's set in the center of the hood, and it's more focused on what happens with the baffle and the roll at the top of the hood, and that nothing escapes. We have tested in 6 configurations now and have documented proof through tracer gas and response time from the valve that Antec is a fantastic product and meets the requirements to satisfy lab safety from an ASHRAE 110 tracer gas standpoint.